Hi guys! Welcome to our new vlog. It's Eid today. Okay, you can say.
This is called strawberry, guys.
With that, everybody know, but this is strawberry tapioca chips.
It's strawberry happy, guys.
Very happy. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Eid Mubarak, Selamat, Raya. So today is Eid and we are here to do some photo shoot.
Okay.
Selamat
Hari
Raya,
Eid
Mubarak.
How is our outfit, guys? Look at us. Beautiful. My girl, can you show your dress?
Yeah.
To everybody. Come here. Roll. Okay, I'll make you dance. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I have come. Let me take a photo. Photo.
Okay. Selamat Hari Raya. Eid Mubarak, everyone.
Eid Mubarak, everyone.
No, only picture.
Okay. Yeah. What?
Look at your lips.
Body fit very
Guys, we are having strawberries and chips. This is called tapioca chips, guys. We
It's
can get all
called.
the tapioca
This
chips
is called
in
strawberry,
Malaysia.
guys.
With that, everybody know, but this is strawberry tapioca chips.
Really tasty.
Really less space. Hmm.
camera.
Daddy, you can sit in the chair. Come.
This is called strawberry chips, guys.
That's it. That is good.
You like strawberry?
Yep.
Strawberry is healthy. Tell everyone.
Let's go to the fifth floor and eat it. Chalo.
Wait, Daddy. See, strawberry is very healthy, guys.
Yep. And guava.
And guava.
And blueberries.
यहाँ मैंने वो तो ठीक लगी नीचे की
And apples.
ये
Yeah.
You're right, mommy. No. I give you a toffee.
Come.
It's strawberry healthy, guys.
Very healthy.
You say now. You say it's strawberry healthy, guys. And you give me a trophy, okay?
Is strawberry healthy, guys?
Yeah.
This is your strawberry trophy.
Thank you.
Finish all of it faster.
Back.
Finish everything.
Faster. 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 Push faster. Push more. Again. Again. Again only.
Say hi to fish friend.
Hi, baby. Oh, baby. That's all other fish. Oh, baby. Oh, you do why? We're not getting every day. Hi, fishy. Hi. 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 Isn't that bigger fishy? It's like me. Oh, I got fishy last week. One is eating it. Oh.